56 species in genus Matthiola. April 29th. Matthiola, the stock flower, defines April 29th. Matthiola symbolizes elegance and charm. You carry yourself with a natural grace that captures the attention of those around you. Like its fragrant blooms, your presence brings joy and beauty to every space you inhabit. Your ability to uplift others with your warmth and kindness makes you a cherished friend. Matthiola, a fragrant journey. My name is Vu, and I've always been drawn to the subtle beauty and captivating fragrance of Matthiola. These flowering plants, belonging to the Brassicaceae family, have a charm that's hard to resist. Native to Eurasia and southern Africa, the genus boasts over 50 species, each with its unique characteristics. Let me take you on a fragrant journey through the world of Matthiola. Diverse species and common names. Matthiola is a diverse genus, encompassing annuals, biennials, and perennials. They're known by various common names, including stock and gillyflower. Matthiola icana, often referred to as common stock or 10-week stock, this species is popular for its vibrant flower colors and strong fragrance. It's widely cultivated for ornamental purposes. Plant FAQs, Matthiola icana. Matthiola longipetala, known as evening stock or night-scented stock, this species is admired for its intensely fragrant flowers that bloom in the evening. Matthiola sinuata, this species, known as sea stock, thrives in coastal areas and exhibits a wild, untamed beauty. Matthiola bicornis, similar to M. longipetala, this species releases its sweet fragrance at night. See full list at monsteraholic.com. Cultivating Matthiola. Many Matthiola species are relatively easy to cultivate, making them a popular choice for gardens and floral arrangements. They prefer well-drained soil and sunny locations. While some species are more tolerant of drought conditions, regular watering is generally recommended, especially during dry spells. Deadheading faded blooms can encourage prolonged flowering. The allure of fragrance. One of the most captivating aspects of Matthiola is the intoxicating fragrance of its flowers. The scent is often described as spicy, sweet, and clove-like. This alluring fragrance is particularly pronounced in the evenings and at night, especially in species like Matthiola longipetala and Matthiola bicornis. This characteristic makes them a popular choice for moon gardens, where their fragrance can be enjoyed after sunset. Matthiola in history and culture. Matthiola has a rich history, with evidence suggesting its cultivation dating back to ancient Greece. The genus is named after Pietro Andrea Mattioli, an Italian naturalist and physician from the 16th century. Throughout history, Matthiola has been associated with various symbolic meanings, including beauty, longevity, and a happy life. Personal reflections. I find myself drawn to the unassuming beauty and powerful fragrance of Matthiola. There's something magical about the way their scent fills the air, especially during the quiet hours of the evening. Whether gracing a garden border or adding a touch of elegance to a vase, Matthiola has a unique ability to evoke a sense of tranquility and joy. I believe that the enduring appeal of Matthiola lies in its ability to connect us with nature's simple pleasures.